Hey everybody, today I'm doing a review on the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. I bet you've seen my last video, but this one's a bit cooler. Besides, it's kind of heavy, but I've already messed around with it. It's pretty heavy, and that means it's a real one, and I kind of messed around with it a bit, and it's pretty cool. Yeah, and the stands are in here for the Rubik's Cube. And it's pretty cool. Yeah. So it's a pretty cool cube. Got it today, and yeah, it's pretty cool. And I can do some tricks with them. Yeah, this is pretty cool, and I'll see you guys next time.